Hi, this is Karina. I'm going to be explaining this demonstration done by my friend and amazing stylist, Nicholas Roach. Nicholas has been teaching with Pony, and he has his own salon in San Diego. He has been teaching for over 20 years with some of the top salons in the world. This is his model, Ko. Ko has dense, fine strands of wavy hair. They were open to pretty much any haircut, and we all decided on a graduated scissor bob with baby blunt bangs. Nicholas is going to be using his scissors, and he's going to be using them a little bit differently, using point cutting and lots of weight removal to create an updated version of this little bob. One of the reasons Nicholas loves the G-bob is for all the different choices you can make in regards to length, head shape, weight removal, and really use your skill set to personalize every bob for every client. One of the first things to decide is where you want to take the length and how much graduation you want to see. Nicholas takes note of Ko's hairline in the nape and takes a good study of Ko's head shape and density. Before Nick gets into his cut, he's going to be adding grooming cream to add moisture and weight to the hair. He's using this as a cutting lotion. He'll be starting in the center with a section down the back of the head. Then he'll create a subsection at the hairline. Remember, graduation is anything held above natural fall, which is 0 degrees. So when you're thinking about graduation, it does not have to be held at 45 degrees always. You can play around with that depending on what you would like your outcome to be. He's letting the hairline split naturally and then cutting at the high elevation for maximum softness at the nape. Using a point cutting technique will also add to the softness. At the end of the haircut, he'll be coming back to this section to add details. The next section will be another horizontal section. This one is brought to the previous, which is still held straight out from the head. However, this section is being held lower, and this is how you begin your graduation. Watch how the weight starts to build after a few sections of committing to this technique. The thicker the hair, the deeper you can point cut to soften your shape. You can cross-check as you go so you can refine and also check for balance. Work your way up to the top of the ears with sections you can control. The next section will go from above occipital bone to the first recession. This will be the section where you continue your bob from back to front. To avoid any confusion about what to do with the hair that lays over the ear, simply pull the hair back behind the ear and then cut. Take a section from behind the ear and bring it forward as a guide to continue your line in front of the ear. Nicholas wants to decrease his graduation as he moves to the front by using a little less elevation. He's using a freehand scissor technique for extra weight removal to create more space and movement for Ko. When you get to the top, the last section, watch for growth patterns and use the larger teeth of your comb to allow for jumps in the crown while cutting. It's looking so gorgeous. Now Nicholas is going to be cutting the bangs. Remember, suitability is key when picking a new bang for your client. Loving these bangs so much. Co looks amazing. Thank you, Nicholas. For more information, visit ponyeducation.com.